All right, today we're going to take a look at the windshield wipers that I use. They're right here. This is for a 2013 Prius. I'm not sure which generation it is, so just be sure to click the description. Okay, so here are the wipers that I purchased. As you can see right here, they are Bosch. That's the name of the brand. I think they're a pretty big company. I believe that they're a German company, but I'm not too sure. Be sure to click the description and leave a comment if you know where this company is from. But yeah, here's the two wipers that I bought. There's the smaller one on the passenger side and the larger one on the driver's side. Just make sure to check the size because the Prius has two different sizes, one smaller on the passenger and one large on the driver's side. So we'll go ahead and take off one of these wipers now. So basically these ones, they just lift right up, as you can see. And then here, there's a locking mechanism. Okay, what you do is you just pinch this right here. I've already opened it, but it's a pinch clip like that, and that opens up back and then push down. See, as you can see, there's a little hook right there, and that just slides right in when you're installing. But that's the same way you take it off, and then once that happens, you slide it through that little hole there. So this is just a metal clip right here. You don't want to damage your windshield, so make sure you set it down nice and easy. So this is what the wiper looks like when it's not installed. So here's a closer view of it. It just has the rubber wiper, like most wipers. This part up here, it's a pliable plastic and it's flexed like a bow, as you can see, and that gives it the pressure it needs to lay flat on the windshield because the windshield has a little bit of a curvature to it. I like the way that these ones look because it has this cap right here that goes over the wiper, and that way it's mostly concealed. There's not going to be a lot of metal showing once this wiper is installed. Here's a close-up of the wiper blade itself. It's a little dusty because, again, I live in Southern California, so it's mostly dry all the time. So I have bought a couple of the cheaper wiper blades before, and right when I installed them, they started streaking immediately. So this one I decided to pay a little bit more. These are not quite expensive, but they're more towards the higher price of the windshield wiper blade available. So just be sure to click the description below for the most recent price. But yeah, I decided to pay a little bit more, and I'm happy that I did because for whatever reason, I try to go cheap a lot of the times. And when I go cheap, I end up just buying the product again. So lately I've been trying to pay a little bit more just to get a quality product right from the beginning, and that way I don't have to end up double paying. So to install the wiper, basically what you're going to do is just go ahead and lift up this arm. Make sure that hook is clear. You don't have any attachments from the old wiper. So what you're going to do is open up that little latch right there on your Bosch, and the hole should be facing down right there and the flat side facing up. And then you're going to put it right over the hook, like so, and then slide it right up. You should hear a little click. Yep, now it's in. And close that up. And slowly drop down the wiper. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash my window. All right, so the window is washed now, so you can see that it is quite a bit clearer. So here on the left, let me turn these off. So there on the left, you can still see the left, it is not washed, obviously because the wipers don't reach that far, but on the right, it is white. So the picture is so much clearer and you can't see any streaks left behind because, again, these are pretty good wipers. So there you have it. That is the Bosch wiper replacement for the 2013 Prius. I believe it fits a 2010 through 2015. Just be sure to click the description below for more information. But I hope you found the video useful, and thanks again for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.